Every child has a right to life.
Every child has the right to protection from discrimination.
Today, we join millions of children around the world in celebrating World Children's Day, a special day set aside by the United Nations to honor every child's rights, dreams, and voice.
Every child has a right to play and rest.
Every child has a right to education. Every child has a right to health.
Every child deserves a right to a nationality.
Every child has the right to clean water.
Every child has a right to shelter.
Every child has the right to food.
Every child has a right to a name.
All children deserve to be happy, healthy, and safe.
Every child has worlds of dreams, hopes, and curiosity. World Children's Day isn't just a celebration. It's a reminder that every idea matters. Every child has the power to make a difference.
My day, my rights.
Every child deserves protection from abuse. Children who are refugees also have rights.
Children living with disabilities also have rights.
Every child has a right to an identity.
Peer mentoring program has shown that students can lead to change, not by being perfect, but by being present, by saying, "You're not alone. I'm here for you. Your feelings are real and your voice matters."
World Children's Day reminds us that every child has rights, the right to learn, the right to feel seen.
The right to play, the right to be heard, the right to be themselves.
These rights are not just ideas, they are promises we commit to every single day.
As children grow, so do their challenges and their dreams. Our senior students learn to express their feelings, stand up for what they believe in, and take responsibility for themselves and others. That is why the Crawford Peer Mentors stand here today, to encourage, support, and walk alongside fellow students as friends, leaders, and role models.
We, as peer mentors, are here to listen. We are here to guide. And we are here because every child needs to be seen, they need to feel supported, and they need to feel safe.
Every child has a right to a safe environment.
Every child has a right to freedom of expression.
Every child has a right to be listened to.
To every child, we hear you, we see you, and we care about you.
So today, as we celebrate World Children's Day, let us remember every child deserves kindness, every child deserves respect, every child deserves a chance to shine, because when children thrive, the world thrives.
My day, my rights.
Here at Crawford International School, we recognize that childhood is not just a stage of life, but it is a foundation for who we become. Our theme this year is My Day, My Rights.
You have rights. You have rights. We all have rights. We all have rights.
My day, my rights.